In this lecture, we're going to show how to create custom type views. So here we have some standard views. We have a front view, top view, and isometric view. But sometimes we have to create some other view that is not here in the view palette. And now we're going to show how to do this. So let's click on this part here and let's go open part. And now here we have to define which view we want to create. For example, we want to create this view like this. So we can go here to view orientation, and here we have an icon new view. So let's add a new view and let's put a name here, A. Let's click OK. So this is now view A. Let's rotate this like this, and this is going to be a view B. So let's go to view orientation. Let's create a new view. Let's go with view B and OK. And now we can go back to our sheet. And now if we go to view palette, we have to go here and we have to refresh this. And now we can see that here we have a view A and view B. So we have some standard views, top, front, right, bottom, but as well we have a view A and view B. So we can drag here a view A, and here we can drag a view B. Let's click OK. So this is how you can create some arbitrary views and how you could put them on the sheet.